Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So today, Home Depot special buy of the day is going to be power tools, some outdoor power equipment, and some hand tools. So let's go ahead and jump into it. If you guys seen my video last week, some of these are going to be repeats, and it usually works that way. They usually funnel in some new deals, but some of them are going to also be deals from the previous week. So we've seen this one before. This is the M18 hammer drill impact driver combo. Pretty nice pickup, $349 for this one. It's going to come with the 8 amp hour high output battery. So as you guys see, you're getting 3 batteries there. You get 2 of the 5 amp hour batteries and then also the 8 amp hour battery. 2 tools, both fuel tools, hard case, charger, coming in at a price of $349 during the special buy of the day. You got the DeWalt 20 volt max system. So you're going to get 6 tools with this, and they're throwing in the Tough System case, this rolling case, which is nice. This is coming in at $500, and there is a look at the tools you'll get. So nice selection of tools, your impact, you get your drill, multi-tool, angle grinder, you get the sander, circular saw, couple batteries. Looks like they're throwing in a 2 amp and the 5 amp hour battery, and then also this nice Tough System case here to be able to store all those away in there. $500 for this, not a bad pickup. A lot of nice tools with that combo deal. Here is a nice DIYer impact wrench by Ryobi, 1/2 inch. And this is the kit, so it's going to come with a 4 amp hour battery. Only $100 for this. 375 foot-pounds of fastening torque. This is going to be a nice low budget impact wrench. It is the kit, 4.0 amp hour battery, and the charger with this one coming in at $99. Over to the right here, they got M12 batteries to get the 5 amp and the 2 amp hour with the charger for $119. We got the M12 2-tool kit, getting 3 batteries with this one. This is a nice kit, $200 for this one. And then it looks like they got the sander here. This is the Milwaukee 5-inch random orbit sander. And they're throwing in the M18 starter kit. This is the 5 amp hour starter kit with this one. So $159, not a bad pickup there. And they do a lot of deals where they throw in those starter kits. Here is another one here with the Rover light for $149. And then all the way to the right here, they got the Milwaukee multi-tool with the starter kit also for $154.99. Here we got the 6.5 inch circular saw with the starter kit, $144. We got some multi-tool blades, 20 piece for $47 Milwaukee. And then we got the M12 impact and the drill driver kit with the shockwave. So they're throwing in the shockwave kit here. This is a 45 piece kit. This is going to be the lower impact driver and drill combo. Get a couple batteries with this one, 2 of the 1.5 amp hour batteries, the charger, nice little contractor's bag. Nice DIY M12 kit here, $129. And then, like I said, you get the shockwave kit with that. All right, so next up, we got the M18 Fuel 18 gauge brad nailer kit. And then we got the M12 23 gauge. So you're getting the M18 and the M12 nailer here, and they're going to come with batteries. So you get the M18 battery. This one's going to come with the 2 amp hour M18 battery, dual charger, contractor's bag, and then you're going to get the 23 gauge nailer. And that 23 gauge nailer is going to come with its own battery. And like I said, you get one charger, but this is going to be the dual charger, so it does the M18 and the M12 batteries. This is coming in at $579. All right, next up we got the M18 hacksaw. So this is a one-handed recip. And then we got the oscillating multi-tool. You're also going to get the 5 amp hour battery and charger with this one. Both of these are fuel tools, so that's nice. $289 for this pickup. Next up is the M18 Gen 2 1/2 inch whole hog right angle drill. And this looks like it's going to come with the 8 amp hour starter kit. $349 for this one. And then we got an M12 setup here. Got the M12 3-inch cutoff saw. And they're throwing in, it looks like the 5 amp hour starter kit with this one. It's a nice pickup there. $200. And then if you guys are looking for a better impact wrench, this is the Ryobi HP. This is their 4-mode 1/2 inch. This one's going to come in at 1,170 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. So more than enough power there to remove some lug nuts, anything like that. If you need to rotate your tires, this would be a really good option for you. $239 for this one, and it's also going to come with the 4 amp hour HP battery. and then you get the smaller charger. So not a bad pickup, $239. They also got the HP nailer. This is going to be the 18 gauge with a 4 amp hour battery and charger for $189. And then they got the 18 gauge brad nailer kit, and then the 16 gauge finish nailer. This is going to come with, I think, a 1.5 amp hour battery, and then you get the charger also. $249 for this pickup. And then we got the rigid 4 amp hour battery starter kit. You get 2 batteries, charger, nice little bag, $79. And then you get the inflator kit with the 2 amp hour battery for rigid for $99. Here's the rigid impact wrench, 1/2 inch, 4 amp hour battery. You get the bag with that, and then the charger for $129. Here is something a little different, but they have the heavy duty universal snowplow kit with the winch. So you're getting the winch with this also. They got this marked at $1274.99. So I have not seen one of these advertised on Home Depot's website before. But so if you guys are looking for a plow, pick that up at your Home Depot. Here we got the green crossline laser level kit for DeWalt, $399. And then all the way to right here, we got the Atomic 1/4 inch impact driver kit with 5 amp hour battery. And then it looks like they're throwing in the Power Stack 2 amp hour battery with this one. So nice little setup there. These Atomic drivers are really nice by DeWalt. Nice and compact. Coming in at $200. Got some more Ryobi stuff. You got your fan with the 2 amp hour battery, $60. Got the campers kit, $64.97. And then we got the multi-tool with the sander, tools only, for $70. Here's the Milwaukee M12 right angle impact wrench. And this is going to come with the 2.5 amp hour battery. No charger with this one. So just the battery and tool, $179 for this. Seen this one in a previous special buy, but they got the rigid 10-inch portable job site table saw. This is the 2-pack for $700. Here's a pretty decent deal. They got the HP. This is the Easy Clean 600 PSI. So this is the one you want to go for. The 320 PSI one, a little underpowered in my opinion. I definitely go with the 600 PSI. They have this in the HP 18 volt version, and they also have this in the 40 volt version. And these are really nice. If you want to pull out your full size pressure washer, you need just to clean off some patio furniture, something like that. This works really well. $150. This is the kit. And this is something I've been looking to pick up. This is the M12 extended reach ratchet by Milwaukee. This is also going to come with a battery for $209. Got a couple impact wrenches here by Milwaukee. Got the 1/2 inch and the 3/8 inch impact wrench. This looks like it's the tools only. Yep, no batteries with this one. Both fuel, coming in at $339. Then we got the M18 pack out, 2.5 gallon wet and dry vacuum. And we're going to get 2 batteries with this one. 2 6 amp hour batteries. So there is a few attachments there. 2 6 amp hour batteries. But it looks like you better have a charger ready. No charger comes with this one. $329 for this deal. All right, another M12 ratchet. This comes with the CP 2.5 amp hour battery. Once again, no charger with this one. But this is a fuel ratchet, $164.99. And then all the way to the right here, we got the 23 gauge pin nailer with the 2 amp hour battery, $229. All right, here's the M18 1 1/8 inch SDS rotary hammer. And then we're also going to get the 4.5 inch grinder, both fuel tools, no batteries with this one, $399. And then we got the M12 jigsaw with the 2.5 amp hour battery for $144. Got the 1/4 inch hex impact driver, really nice impact driver by Milwaukee. Compact, packs a lot of power on this one. 2.5 amp hour battery, only $109. Nice pickup there. And then all the way to the right, we got the M18 fuel bandsaw, and then the rotary hammer. Click into these for you guys. No batteries, tools only, $319. We got the M18 fuel 7.25 inch rear handle circular saw with the jigsaw, both fuel again, $319. Got another M18 pack out, wet and dry vac for $169. And we got some rigid stuff down here on the right. 15 amp 12 inch dual bevel sliding miter saw, Looks like this come with the stand, which is nice. $400, and then the grease gun, $129. Tool only on the grease gun. Getting into some more Ryobi stuff. We got the HP 8¼ inch table saw, tool only for $249. Got a couple of the speakers for $100. And then this is nice. They haven't had this in a while. This is the 1800 watt power station inverter. So this is going to come with 4 of the 6 amp hour batteries. This is the 18 volt version. So they do have a 40 volt version, but this is their new 18 volt version. So pretty nice. Comes with the little USB charger there also. But this is a nice option. A little expensive at $700. But if this is something you're looking for, this might be a good pickup. And then if you have extra 18 volt batteries, you can use those. Because I think this takes up to 9. No, it takes up to 8 batteries. And those can be up to 9 amp hour batteries. So 4 batteries on each side, it looks like. As you guys can see, it's got the USB on the side there, 3 AC outlets, 60 watt type C on the front. Nice little digital readout there to let you know the status of each battery. And this is up to 1800 watts. And then all the way to the right here, they have the 12-inch 18 volt 3-in-1 mower, string trimmer, and edger. Tool only on this one for $119. Here's the HP 15-inch attachment capable. So these are nice because you can put different attachments on the end here. In a lot of my videos that I do the walkthrough at Home Depot, they've been clearancing out some of these attachments. So you can actually find some pretty good deals on these string attachments. This is also going to come with a 6 amp hour battery charger. And this is coming in at $179. Here they got the patio cleaner for $119. We got the Bosch SDS for $1,000. And then all the way to the right here, we got the 15 amp by DeWalt. This is the 12-inch double bevel compound miter saw with the heavy duty work stand. This is coming in at $379. Here's the 8-inch HP mini chainsaw with a 2 amp hour battery. And surprisingly, when these first came out, a lot of different companies came out with these little mini chainsaws. Kind of wrote them off until I actually picked one up, and very surprised at how well these work. If you're just cleaning up limbs, I've actually used this to just chop up firewood even. I've got some videos posted where I reviewed a couple different versions of these mini chainsaws, but these are really handy, easy to use, and they pack a punch. They actually really work well when you're chopping up wood. $139 for this one. And then we got the M18 compact vacuum 5 amp hour battery charger, $144.99. And then all the way to the right, we got the Ryobi Whisper Series 510 CFM leaf blower. And then this is an HP, and it looks like it's going to come with the 6 amp hour battery and charger, $180. Getting into some power tool accessories, hand tools. So they got the rigid miter saw stand for $100. We got some batteries here, whether you need some Ryobi batteries, Milwaukee, or rigid. I like this rigid setup here with the dual charger for $169. And then I like when they mix in different size batteries. This comes in with the 2 amp and then the 4 amp. So nice pickup there for $169 for rigid. Got some more rigid batteries here. 4-pack of the 6 amps. Got a couple of the 8 amps. And then we also got the 2 amp. Looks like there are 2 of them for $69. Got some Ryobi stuff here. Reset blades, socket set, some sandpaper, and then we got the 8 amp and then the 4 amp batteries for $199. See what else we got. We got some Ryobi, some Stanley stuff. Got some Milwaukee 100-piece for $44.97. Some more Milwaukee stuff. Shockwave 120-piece for $23.99. Reset blades, 72-piece Shockwave, and then we got the 15-inch pack out backpack, and then the tool bag for $142. Some more Milwaukee stuff here. Got some DeWalt batteries, 3 amp hour 4-pack, $179. 192-piece mechanic tool set for $169.97. Got the hammer, cross line, a laser, and then we also got the DeWalt oscillating blade set 5-piece for 30 bucks. And that looks like it's about it, guys. So I just wanted to hurry up, run through these real quick. I'd like to keep you guys updated with what's going on with the latest tool deals. And then usually Home Depot has the special buy of the day for tools, usually at least one day a week. So I like to filter this into my video. So keep you guys updated what's going on. Hopefully you guys found the video useful. If you guys want to see any deals for Lowe's, Harbor Freight, anything like that, I'll put some videos here. Check those videos out. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.